Right. So Russell also asked that he was struggling to find a winning niche. So for anyone seeing this or being here that is still in the niche research phase, the first thing I really want to tell you is go watch the premium course about like all the niche research sections, understand the 4 or 5 methods that I go over, understand the niche verification method and how to do this, and then just put in the work. You just actually have to put in a couple hours a week to doing the niche research methods and making your Excel sheet list that I also show in those calls, your research sheet for your niche research. And you want to find like 25, 30 channels that are doing what you want to do or topics that you want to do or are interested in, so that you understand what they are doing, what is working for them, and how you can do it too. And if you didn't even find like 5 channels that you like, then I wouldn't even think about complaining about not finding a niche, because there is enough out there. You just have to put in the hours to find things and examples, to start and to test. So just get used to doing the research every day and then just start testing channels and niches, and you will find something. But yeah, you will just have to put in the action every single day if you really want to make this work. That would be my biggest piece of advice for a lot of people starting with YouTube automation.